Hi, I'm Tim with Best Buy, and today I'm going to be talking to you about this awesome 4K dash cam, the Nextbase IQ 4K Smart Dash Cam. We're going to be going over some of the really cool features like Road Watch AI, witness mode, as well as emergency SOS response. Let's get right into it. One of the things that I noticed just picking up the box, this is a really well-made dash cam. It's a very sturdy feeling. I'm going to set this right over here. Inside here, you actually have a couple different QR codes. You've got one to help you install it, one for some tech support, and then with the box of the installation accessories, you also have a separate QR code just for downloading the Nextbase IQ app. As I mentioned, inside the box here, I'm going to have my different power cables to either connect it quickly into my car or to do a full hardwire install. So that's pretty nice as well. And last but not least, you've got some Protected by Nextbase stickers. The Nextbase IQ is the world's first 4K smart dash cam. It uses AI-based sensing technology and real-time monitoring. Nextbase calls this Road Watch AI. One of the great things about Road Watch AI is it's able to track and monitor the speed and trajectory of vehicles around you, as well as bikes, pedestrians, and even e-scooters. Another cool feature is the witness mode. Witness mode allows you to actually tell the camera to start recording. So if you're involved in a road rage incident or if you're getting pulled over, you can just tell the camera to start recording and it will do so for the entire event. And then it will immediately go right up to the cloud so you can view it at any time later. Another important feature to me and my family is the emergency SOS response. IQ will actually notify emergency services in the event of an accident and give the GPS location to first responders. The Nextbase IQ app allows you to view, edit, and share your videos right from the camera to your smart device. It also allows you to control and set up the camera, as well as go into the camera's live view function. The live view function allows you to see what's going on inside or outside of your car at any time, regardless of where you're at. In addition to front and cabin view, Nextbase also offers an optional rear camera for the Nextbase IQ. And that's pretty much it. This is the Nextbase IQ 4K Smart Dash Cam. And again, I'm Tim with Best Buy. So if you have any more questions on this, feel free to click on the link below and talk to a virtual expert like me. Safe driving, everyone.